Hi everyone, Mike McCormick here inside Modern Muscle Cars showroom. A couple weeks ago we walked you through this showroom and showed you some of the cars that we have inside. But that's not all that we have. We have other projects that are in the works. Next door at Bernie's Speed Shop. Let's take a walk over here and show you what we've got going on. Okay, we're out here in front of Bernie's Speed Shop. Bernie's is one of the premier speed shops in the state of Florida. They do all the work for us on all the car mods that we do. And Bernie's is owned by Josh Hart. If you're a fan of NHRA drag racing,
Josh Hart off the starting line first. Josh Hart takes the win.
You'll see him in a Top Fuel dragster this year. Come on inside and let me show you what we've got going on. So up here on the rack, we've got our 64 Corvette Resto Mod. Now this already had an LS motor in it. It was an older model LS. Ran great, no problems, but we didn't know much about the motor. So we pulled that one out. In fact, there's the motor right back here. And we're going in with the brand new LS7 427. It's going to be 525 horsepower when we're done. It's going to be one really bad car. Total Resto Mod, almost everything new on this car. Let's go see what else we got going on. Here's a small project that we've got going. This is a 2014 Audi that we just got in. Totally awesome car, but just didn't have the right sound. So we bought a whole new exhaust system. We're going to get that muscle car note coming out of it. Now another one that's in the works is a 64 Corvette. It's an all original 327. Everything on this car is original, nicely restored, but needed some head work. Ran okay, a little puff of smoke on startup. We didn't like that, so we had the heads rebuilt. It's going back together. We'll probably have this on the street in a couple more days. The 72 Camaro is another project that's been in the works for a while. When we got this car, it was completely done. Very nicely done, but it had a 350, old style 350. Everything else was Resto Mod, but it had the old style 350, so we yanked that out and we put an LS3 with a hot cam in it. All of this is new. Everything about this car is going to be new when we're done. And the interior was okay, but it wasn't great. So we pulled out all the interior and we're completely redoing it in all really nice leather. This is going to be a really cool car when we're done. Couple more weeks or another month or so, and we should have this on the road. One more that's in the works over here at Bernie's is this 1957 Chevrolet. This came to us as a Resto Mod and pretty much was steering, brakes, suspension, and everything else, but it had a big block in it, 454 big block. Nothing wrong with that, but that's not 100% Resto Mod. So we pulled that out, and now it has an LS4, or an LT4, I should say, that's going to be supercharged. This is going to be a 650 horsepower car when we're done, and man, is it going to be fast. So these are some of the projects we have in works. Stay tuned, watch our website, and we'll roll these out and show you how they run.